before we start talking about how to travel more deeply, I want to look for just a minute at why we travel. And there's something that I want to bring to the forefront of your travel mindset. This is really important because this realization will help to motivate you to take those leaps into more adventurous situations. So if you're sitting there going, Dave, I didn't take this course for you to tell me why I travel. Just trust me on this one, bear with me. I will be as brief as I can, but this is important stuff. So, why do you travel? Different people travel for different reasons. Some people travel in search of history, some people travel in search of art or great cuisine, or they want to learn more about a local culture. Some people travel just because we need to relax. Sometimes it's nice to sit on a sandy beach and do nothing for a few days. So we have different reasons for traveling, but there is one universal reason, I believe, that we all travel, at least when it comes to leisure travel, when it comes to going on a vacation, a holiday, and that is for the stories, for the memories that we accumulate when we leave our everyday lives. And so think about this for a minute. Let's say you're going on a 2-week vacation. Does that vacation actually last 2 weeks? No, it lasts a lot longer than that. It begins when you start thinking about it, and it begins with all the planning and the anticipation and the excitement you feel, and then you go and you take the trip, and then you come home, and if it was a powerful experience, that trip will stay with you for years, and there are stories that will keep coming up over and over and over again. So when we travel, we invest a lot of money sometimes into our trips. We invest time into our trips. And we are investing in stories. We are investing in memories. And what I want to help you do is get a maximum return on your travel investments. People often ask me, because I've worked in the travel industry for like 25 plus years, and I've been a travel writer a long time and a professional tour guide, and I've been to a lot of places. People often ask me how many countries I've visited. And I actually hate that question. And the reason for that is that I don't believe travel should be a competition to see who can collect the most passport stamps. I've actually been to travel meetups before where I've heard somebody say, oh, I've been to 29 countries, and then someone says, yeah, well, I've been to 42. And then the person who's only been to 29 countries, and that's a lot of countries, suddenly looks deflated, like they're not as worthy, they're not as adventurous of a traveler or something. Travel isn't about scoring points. Travel is about collecting stories. I travel for the experiences. I travel to collect new friends. I meet new people when I'm traveling. I travel for the memories. And so keep that in mind when you are going. The reason this is important is that it will inspire you to do things that maybe you're not totally comfortable with at first. And once you've done this a few times, you will a couple of things will happen. One is that you will just get more comfortable stepping into these experiences, and the other is that you'll understand the value of stepping further and further and further outside of your comfort zone, and that will motivate you to keep doing it.